cause of a disease, periodontal disease, is bacterial plaque or dental plaque, which is kind of difficult, invisible with naked eyes. But when you look at under a microscope, we see a wide range of bacteria. You have a gram-positive, gram-negative. Each are capable of destroying the supporting structure of the tooth. And so the cause of a disease is bacterial plaque. However, again, determining factor is susceptibility of that individual, which deals with the immune system or defense mechanism. In some cases, the disease will progress really fast, and some cases would have a slower progression.